Hi all. So today we are going to see what is AI agent, right? And also we are going to see different types of things are there with the AI agent. At the same time, we'll showcase a one time kind of a demo how we can create an AI agent. So let's see. Before starting, what is AI agent? So let me tell you. Uh, don't assume or don't think that giving a prompt into some .md file or markdown file to any LLM, it is giving me some kind of output is all about AI agent. No, this simply we can do with chat GPT and the cloud, right? But AI agent has a different category and different category in the terms of it has different subcategory as well. So again, for example, someone has created an very well defined markdown file which has provided more information about what you're doing and the responsibility very descriptive way and the rules and responsibility and the guideline, and we are giving to the chat GPT or kind of any LLM, and then we are getting some kind of, and then we are asking the some kind of a query, and then it is giving me the some kind of output. This is very basic of an AI agent, because AI agent has a different inside category. So let me give you the uh, how this actually work, and also we are not going to see too much deep inside it. Just I want to give you the walkthrough, right? Let's example, I have a task or I have a user request which is going to my agent, or I would say any kind of a LLM, or it could be a kind of another agent which is connecting with different tools, memory, and the planning, right? So tools means it can be a search, retrieval, any database, any web form, any other API, or this kind of a tool which my agent actually is connected, right? And the memory. What is memory? Memory can be a short term, long term. We are not going too much deep inside. Just I want to give you the brief what it is all about, right? What is actually a AI agent, how it is work, right? A lot of different types of memory are there, which is connected with my uh, LLM, and then the planning also, because agent is not all about asking the question. It also plan your input. It also plan that task as well. So now we get to know that AI agent is nothing but it is not all about LLM and giving some kind of prompt. It is actually a lot of things are there, multiple tools are there, memories are there, and the plannings are there, right? So I hope now it is clear what is AI agent, how it is work, and again, there are a lot of things are there. If you go inside the tool, also let a lot of complex, lot of different categories are there. But just to give you the overview, how AI agent work, what is tool, what is memory, and how it is generally planned. Okay, so let me, yeah. So today we are going to create an AI agent, and while we are creating a AI agent, we are going to use the uh, Copilot Studio, right? And there we will provide some kind of information like how it generally work. Okay, what is Microsoft IQ? So Microsoft IQ, let's don't discuss more because it has very technical terms. So let's skip it. You can check or you can check uncheck your different types of model, different type of model. Skill, so skill is become very important here. In the skill we provide all the information, all the instruction, I would say, right? in in some kind of markdown file, plus it has tools also. This can connect with external system and the action. As I said, it can connect with different API. It can connect different database. So this via tool we can connect it, have more model context protocol, MCP. There are a lot of things are there. Plus knowledge is also very important, because knowledge we actually store or save information, or I would say a kind of yeah, information where my agent has to pick the data from the knowledge side, right? And it can connect with the agent also, right? Yes, memory. If you want to save the memory of a user, you do not want every time it my user is asking same kind of question, then you can save as a memory, right? So by this way, actually your AI agent generally work. Okay, so let's create a AI agent, and we have taken a scenario of a very simple example. Let's take it is a company of ABC Technology, and they have their own HR policy defined, and then we are creating an agent so user can ask and the leave policy from an agent, and it will give you the output. Okay. Okay, so simply use Copilot Studio, and you have to do a login. Once you have done logged in, then you will land to this Copilot Studio page, and it has old experience as well as new experience. So I'm going with the new experience, right? So a Copilot Studio has two different features, agent and the workflow. So workflow we will see in maybe in different video, but yeah, let's talk about the agent, right? Let's try to create an agent. So click on the agent, give some kind of a name. Let's create an agent of HR policy, right? HR. Okay. So into the Microsoft IQ, it have connected IQ, Fabric IQ, Foundry IQ. So we are not going to do much deep inside it. Let's create a basic agent. So to create an HR policy agent, you have to provide a skill, right? Into .md file. So let me create a skill where we have to provide instruction of to the agent, right? Already I have created the instruction that you are the ABC Technology HR assistant. Your primary responsibility is to answer employee question along with the official HR policy. They are the different policy for casual leave, sick leave, earned leave, and all the other information. So let me create a leave policy, and let's skip the description and provide the instruction. Now let me click on this. Okay, so the important thing we have done, we have created an empty file, markdown file. We have a LLM. Now let's see what is tool. So as I said, tool can be a different type. It can be a model context protocol MCP. It can be a connector. I will tell you what is connector. It can be a workflow also. MCP, we know there are a lot of different what called products are there, applications are there, which we give the MCP. So your AI can connect with any product. So there we can use MCP, right? Let's take example. In your use case, you have to take the information from the Jira, or you have the user story of a Jira, and if you want to get the information from Jira, or you want to do something, some create a task from the user story, what you can do simply you can create the connector also. Let's take example Jira I'm taking. So Jira has some kind of MCP, or you can connect Jira via some API where you have to provide the authentication, and then your agent will connect with the Jira. And whenever you asking any question as a from the agent will connect with the Jira. It will fetch the information or user story, and then you can perform some kind of task, right? So maybe this, if you want, I can create a video where my agent will connect with my Jira, will understand the user story, and then create a different tasks. So by this way, by using a tool, you can connect with different services, different resources. Okay. So knowledge. So knowledge, as I said, knowledge means you can connect with any SharePoint, the information, uh, or some kind of public website. You can provide the URL of a public website, or you can provide the OneDrive business. So by this way you can do this. So in our case, what I have done here is, let me show you. So I have created a dummy uh, ABC Technology leave policy. So where I provided all the information of this ABC Technology, like maternity leave, 5 working days, some different casual leave, marriage leave, right? So all the information I provide. So now what I will do here, I will go to my agent and I will upload this PDF file. Right. Now you can see the ABC technical leave policy has been uploaded. Now let me click on the add to agent. So it is uploading that PDF file. Now, if you want to have some kind of OneDrive where all the information has been there, you can go to tool, or you can maybe with this knowledge also you can define. Now you can see this agent generally search all the website. If you want, you can make it, but if you're creating an agent, I will say ignore this part because you do not want my agent go to internet, go to all the website and fetch the information, because this agent we are creating dedicatedly for the ABC technology leave policy. Let me close it. Right. Now you can connect with different agent memories, right? If you want to enable the memory, whenever my user is asking some kind of question, you want to save those kind of chat, you can do it. So let as of now I'm not doing. So you can provide some kind of instruction of the instruction of this agent. So this simply I'm saying it's a leave policy agent. Now we have created an HR policy of ABC technology, right? So let me go here in a preview view, right? Hello, I am HR policy. How I can help you? Let me ask some question. Tell me the casual leave details. Now it is searching from a knowledge. It has a PDF analyze, so you can see in casual leave I have 10 days per year, right? This is the ABC tool. So it is not taking the information from the internet because we have unchecked that search from all the website, and this agent will work with only that PDF file which we have uploaded, right? And now if you think this is giving correct information, you can save it and you can publish it. And if you want to share with anyone, you can, after publishing only, you can share this agent to anyone. So by this way, you can create a very basic agent without writing a single line of a code. And if you want, I can create multiple agent with your requirement. We can create with Jira. We can create agent. We can create agent of any Excel file or OneDrive file where you will get all your project update in a single chat window. Yeah. Thank you from my side. If you have any question, any requirement, just message me on the chat. I will try to create that agent for you. Thank you.